Hello student, welcome to Standard 10th Geography, Chapter 4th Climate, Part 3. In this part, we are going to study the 4 metropolitan cities of Brazil, that is Manaus, Belém, Porto Alegre and Rio de Janeiro. Here we can see the graph of all the 4 cities, annual average temperature and rainfall graph. So temperature is shown in the red line, maximum temperature, and minimum temperature with the blue line. Let us study this map in more detail through question and answers. The first question is, in which month is the highest temperature found in all the 4 cities? Answer: in Manaus, the highest temperature is found in the month of August to October. In Belém, it is found in the month of June to December. In Porto Alegre, it is found in the month of Jan and Feb, and in Rio de Janeiro, it is found in the month of February. Next question, in which month does it rain the most in the given cities? In Manaus, it rains most in the month of March. In Belém, it is in the month of March. In Porto Alegre, it is in the month of August and September, and in Rio de Janeiro, it is in the month of January and March. Question 3. When does Brazil have its rainy season? Brazil has its rainy season from September to November, as well as from March to May. Which city has the maximum range of temperature, and how much is it? Manaus has the maximum range of temperature. It is nearly from 23 degrees Celsius minimum temperature to 33 degrees Celsius maximum temperature. What type of climate will be found in Rio de Janeiro? In Rio de Janeiro, humid and moderate type of climate will be found. All the 4 cities are located in Brazil. Let us have the location of each city. You can see the Brazil map at the center of the 4 city graph, and Manaus is located in the northern part of the Brazilian country. Belém is also located in the northeastern part. Then Porto Alegre and Rio de Janeiro in southeastern part of the country. Because of the vast latitudinal extent of Brazil, it experiences wide range of climatic variation in climate. For example, near equator, it is hot, while temperate type of climate is found near Tropic of Capricorn. Brazil gets rainfall from the southeast trade wind and the northeast trade wind. Part of the Brazilian highland extend up to the northern coast. The escarpment act as an obstruction to the wind coming from the sea and cause orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. Beyond the highlands, the effect of these winds gets reduced. As a result, the rainfall is minimal. This region is a rain shadow region. This region is called drought quadrilateral. Considering the temperature in Brazil, the northern part of Brazil is hot, while the temperature in the southern part are comparatively lower. Seasonal variations are found in this pattern. Near the equator at Brazilian coast, temperature does not vary much. Most of the part of this country lies in the tropical zone. The equator passes through the northern part of the country. The temperature is more in this region. The average temperature in the Amazon Valley is 25 degree to 28 degrees Celsius. The climate is cooler in the highlands. Because of the proximity to the sea, the coast experience mild and humid climate. The Amazon Valley receives around 2000 mm of rainfall, while the northeastern coast receives 1000 to 1200 mm of rainfall. Dear student, one of the question is asked, why tropical cyclones rarely visit the coastal coast of Brazil? Answer: in the coastal region near the equator in Brazil, differences in temperature are negligible. Point number 2, the wind move in the vertical direction in this region. Point number 3, similarly, the convergence zone of the trade wind is weak over here. As a result, cyclones are not formed. That is why tropical cyclone rarely visit the coast of Brazil.